Hey guys, good evening. Please mute yourself. Here I'm not able to mute. 1 minute, let me try one more time. Yeah, just give me 2 minutes, please. Nirupama, can you please mute yourself? I'm not able to do it here. Nirupama Pandit, can you mute yourself and can you turn off your video? You can check it on your desk. You can do it yourself. And also Asta Sen and Priya R. Aparna Gala. Asta Sen, Monica Malik. Monica Malik, Priya R. Guys, please cooperate. I think the meeting was created that way. So tomorrow I'll take care of myself. I take care of it myself. And Daksha, can you please mute your audio? Yeah. Thank you, Vikram. And Lajan, Priya, Daksha. 1 minute, guys. Just a moment, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah. Good evening, Huma. Good evening, Asta. Good evening, everybody. So the first thing is thank you very much for choosing Content Vidya one more time and trusting us again. So the very first thing I want to tell you all is don't be stressed because I've been getting a lot of emails and a lot of messages. Whoever has joined the program, they've been mailing me, they've been messaging me saying, do I need to have technical knowledge and do I need to be technically sound and what all the things I need to be prepared and that and this. The first thing I want to tell you is don't be too formal, okay, with these learnings. Okay, I would want this program to run in a friendly way. I want to be in touch with you guys and stay in touch with you. Whenever you have any questions or any queries, you can consider me more like a friend. That way we can have the journey smoother, because as long as you are considering me as a mentor, a serious mentor, you won't be able to ask me any doubts. Because see, I was in the same position a couple of years back. Okay, so when I had a lot of doubts and when I joined one of the digital marketing programs, I had a lot of questions. The best thing my mentor used to love about me is I never used to keep questions to myself. And he used to say like, no, Uma, again you. So that is how I used to be with the questions, because that really helped me a lot in my journey. So don't keep questions to yourself. It's very normal to have questions, whether you are from an LKZ background or a PZ background, whatever it is, throughout any journey, especially when you are learning it. Okay, so as you are learning this program now, you are into this, you will have a lot of questions in your head, and it is quite common. Don't keep those questions to yourself until and unless you are asking them out. It won't help you, get through the issues, get through the challenges. And not only that, when you are asking questions, others will also be learning from that. And the main purpose of creating that Facebook group, okay, the main purpose of creating that Facebook group is to, I want everybody to share their questions in the Facebook group. Okay, the first thing, and I'll explain these things more clearly in the group itself. Okay, today the session is going to be more of introduction of everybody. I'll talk about each and everybody. We have to know each other pretty well, so that we can help each other to grow together. I will be training you through the technical things and through the lot of other strategies, and I'll help you get out of the challenges and a lot of things that you need to learn as a blogger to be successful and to set your brand and to establish your own business and to start making money. I will train you all on this. But at the same time, it's always good to have a good network when you are going through this journey, because having that similar network will help you boost up your confidence. Okay, so you'll be able to understand, okay, so I am not alone. Somebody as well is going through the same journey. Okay, they also have the same questions. They're also going through the same challenges. So when I'm asking those questions, it will be helpful for them too. So this is how you will be connected to each other. And I really want that to happen. That is the main purpose of Facebook group. So whenever you have any question in your head, don't hesitate to put that on the Facebook group. I will explain more clearly in the group itself. Once you see that post tomorrow afternoon or something like that, you can start asking your questions there after reading through those points. And the next thing is networking. Networking, another important aspect of networking is, see, for example, let us say that, and also I wanted to tell you that I have deleted all the hosting things of my Mrs. Persistent. I want to start my journey again with you guys, okay, so that you will see how Mrs. Persistent is going on from the very basics. Okay, so I have the domain in my hand now, and I will set up hosting along with you guys so that you will also learn from it. And then I will publish my first blog post again on that, so that you can publish your first blog post on your domain. Okay, so I will also be stepping one by one, one by one, along with you, one by one moves along with you guys, so that you will get to know, okay, how Uma Madhvi is doing. Uma Madhvi as well is very similar to us. Okay, we are all together, and I want to start from the very first step, just along with you guys. Okay, so yes, coming back to the networking, the network thing is the next advantage of having the similar network is, I am going to start Mrs. Persistent, right? It is on dating and relationship niche, and somebody is starting some maybe they're starting with some fashion niche, somebody is starting with some programming niche, okay, and somebody something else. Okay, so what we'll do is, once everybody finds out their niches, what we'll do is we'll try to see, if there are any people, the right people who can share feedback to others. For example, the programming thing. Okay, so not everybody is good with programming, but those who are good with it, those who have the basic knowledge towards that topic, they can go through those blog posts and they can share their opinions only within the Facebook group, so that we alone will get to know about it. The outside world will not get to know about it. So we are helping each other to know whether the writings have been good, or maybe something need to be improved, or maybe the prospective readers have some other questions. For example, you're talking about some Java programming, and I'm visiting your blog post, okay, as one of the members here. Okay, I'm visiting that blog post, and I got some other doubt, and I realized that you did not talk about that. So I will post that on your Facebook post and say that maybe you could have talked about so and so thing in your blog post. Then you can go back to your blog post and edit. So we are going to help each other in different ways to make our writings better, so that the potential readers will love your work, and they will start following you on your blog. So the outsiders, that is about. So the insiders are going to help you get more of the outsiders, the outflow, the more of the more people from the world. Okay, so and also we're going to talk about a lot of things. I will just show you an outline of the curriculum. Okay, then we'll introduce each other. So I did not introduce myself because I know that these are all my old students. Okay, because we did not promote this program outside our student circuit, mainly because I want our students to be here first, so that, because we are not going to keep that price, keep it to only 3,999. We are planning to make it higher. and that is only for the outsiders. So that's why I did not introduce myself. As you all know, I am Uma Madhve. I'm the trainer here, as well as founder of Content Vidya. And another important thing I want to mention here is Rohit Mumidi, the co-founder, is also going to be in touch with you throughout the journey. He's pretty much good with content planning, as well as social media marketing, organic marketing, and a lot of other things. So whenever you have any questions, you can contact him as well. We'll share his email ID as well, and you can contact him in case, like if at all you're stuck with something, any technical parts of your journey, you can first WhatsApp our staff at 9500081660 and get an appointment with me, either me or with Rohit. Will help you depending on your doubt. Okay, so let me show you the outline of the overall program, then we'll get to know each other more. So here, so see, the first thing I want to tell you here is, so though I'm going to explain, what all you're going to learn in these 3 months of journey, okay, but your actual learning is going to be beyond whatever is mentioned here, okay. So these are the main primary points that you need to focus on, but along with this, you're going to learn a lot of other things. And I can assure you one thing is, as long as you are giving your 100%, I'm pretty much sure that before the ending of these 3 months, I'm pretty much sure that you are going to establish your own career in blogging industry, as well as you are going to build your brand. Okay, so the first thing is, so these are the prerequisites to become a blogger. You need to be ready with these things. So first, niche confirmation. So for example, my niche is dating and relationships. Okay, but my primary niche is content writing. As you all know, I train people on content writing. So many of you already decided your niche during your 6 days workshop. Some people, they already started their blog on WordPress or other places. But trust me, okay, so I too went through a lot of struggle when I had to find out my niche. I told you already, during our 6 days workshop as well as copywriting workshop, I struggled a lot and nobody was there to help me out. And people charge between 3,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees to even 60,000, 70,000 rupees to help you find out your niche. I know that most of you already have found your niche during your 6 days workshop, but let us evaluate more and better. And because sometimes after even finding out the niche, we may step back because we are not interested to talk much about that. Maybe you're not able to find the proper audience. Maybe it's not profitable as much as you thought it was. So there might be some of the challenges you've been facing all these days. So let us interact more about that, and I'm going to explain even a better way to find out your niche. Okay, along with the older version we talked about. We'll talk about this, and I'm going to share that. And take your time. Usually I would give 1 day to find out your niche, but for this workshop, for this program, I'm going to give you 2 days, 2 complete days to find out your niche. After the video, make sure that you are taking enough time and finding out your niche. And in between, if you need any help, don't hesitate to WhatsApp me personally. My WhatsApp number is 636991460, as well as you can WhatsApp at 9500081660. So first, if the staff is not helping, you can directly WhatsApp me and expect the response in 2 to 3 hours. Usually I wake up late in the morning, so you can't expect messages before 11 o'clock. So I just want to keep you posted on that. So that's about niche confirmation, which is very important. Until and unless you are finding out your niche, I won't let you go through the next sessions, because that is very important. If you are finding the wrong niche, how much ever the program you are going through, how much ever you are following the program, you may not succeed as much as we expected. Yes, that's why niche confirmation is very important. You need to find out the right niche. So then we'll plan on getting your domain and hosting. I will look into the cheapest, if there are any cheapest domains and hosting providers available. But mostly, as per my research around all these years, I would say that GoDaddy is one of the best places to find your domain, as well as the hosting is very good. Okay, though the other providers provide hosting little cheaper, maybe 200 rupees little cheaper on the other places, GoDaddy hosting and domain is pretty good. I will tell from my personal experiences, whenever I chose other places for myself or for my clients, we faced a lot of issues. So it's up to you. And so I'll explain clearly how to get your domain and how to get into your hosting, how to fix everything else. Okay, so in case if you're facing any, so these are all very simple, though you may think that this needs a lot of technical knowledge. It doesn't. You don't need that. Hope you remember this point. I talked about it during 6 days workshop. I delayed my success mainly because, you know what, the first thing is I thought that learning WordPress was a pretty big thing, a tough thing. I really thought that for more than 8 to 9 years, and I kept on postponing my success. I mean, as per my knowledge, I kept on postponing my blog. But in reality, what happened was I postponed my success. But when I learned WordPress, it did not take more than 20 minutes for me to learn it and install it and fix everything. Okay, so we're going to explain things very clearly, but in case if you're stuck anywhere, we are just a message away. And guys, don't try to call us very often. Okay, so try to message us. Okay, more than email, you can WhatsApp us, either me or the staff. We'll try to help you. In case if you're not getting the response, you don't have to call us, because it would be tougher to attend the calls. But yes, as promised, we'll arrange a couple of calls in between, as well as we are going to have one-on-one video call too, one-on-one each with each and every student. So this is the main reason I have paused all the live sessions for, you know, our rest of the workshops, content writing, copywriting, and weekend workshops. Everything we paused because I want to give my 100% to each and every person who ever joined this program. So then we'll talk about Canva. I hope you guys know what Canva is. Canva is, so it's more similar to Photoshop. So it's more like editing, video editing, and photo editing. So I'll explain clearly in a video, because the next thing you have to do is you need to find your brand name. Okay, so for that as well, I'll share a couple of videos and couple of PDFs on how to create your brand name and what all the things you need to consider before creating your brand name. For example, Content Vidya. Coming back to Content Vidya, I think me and Rohit, we spent about 2 hours, and we dedicated 2 hours. It's not just spending, we dedicated 2 hours. We sat together and we thought about multiple things. Then finally we came up with Content Vidya. Before that, I think we came up with Content Nazi. Okay, and yes, I. But again, you know, I did not finalize that. I really loved that name, Content Nazi. I really loved that name, but I did not decide that. Why? Because every time we decided some name, we did thorough research online. So when it comes to Nazi, I researched on it. Then I realized that some websites, or even like while doing the marketing thing on Facebook or other places, the ads may get rejected with because of the term Nazi, which is little revolutionary. So you need to consider a lot of factors. I'll explain all those things. So after going through that video, you will be ready with your brand name. Once you are ready with brand name, so we'll have Canva session. After that, you will create your logo. Okay, and see guys, whenever we are working on this logo thing, you come up with, I will explain clearly in the video. So you'll be coming up with 2 or 3 options, and you'll be getting polls, votes from by creating a poll. So the rest of the people along with me and my staff, we will share our opinion on different logos that you created. And if we have any suggestions to any improving suggestions, we'll share that over there, so that you can make the changes accordingly to come up with the best logo. And then we'll talk about audience persona. From the very first day, I always keep on talking about this, until and unless you know who your audience are, because many writers, one of the major reasons for them to postpone their writings is they're worried about critics. This is one thing. Even today, I have seen in most of the, like, you know, you submitted your things in the form, right? We shared a form today that you filled up. So there I could find from many people that they are afraid of critics. Okay, so many writers, it is quite normal. We are all afraid of critics. Every writer is afraid of critics. But the thing is, like, that is one thing why we are worried is we don't know that for every niche there are a group of people waiting for information on that niche. Okay, for example, when you choose dating, you need to make sure that you are sharing the content to the right people. You can share it to 70-year-old Indian woman from some countryside village who is not educated. If you share that, and if you talk about those tips with her on YouTube, or maybe on your podcast, she may not like it. And especially if you are a woman, okay, she may not like it. Then whom do you have to talk about? So whom do you address to? So this is all we are going to talk about audience persona. You need to create an audience persona, and accordingly, so while you are doing the marketing, organic marketing or paid marketing, accordingly, you will target those people. So obviously they will love it. For example, so why do we get enrollments through our Facebook ads? because we target people accordingly. We target only those who are interested in writing, as well as who are interested to get into content writing as freelancers or as full-time people, full-time writers or whatever. So from their profiles, from a lot of other factors, we target them accordingly. So we're not targeting everybody. So you will learn a lot of other things accordingly, and you will understand why audience persona is very important. Then every week, okay, every week you are going to share your weekly reports. Okay, so we'll provide you where you have to share the weekly report every week. It's mandatory that you share your weekly report. But see, like I want to be practical about this. For example, let us say that you were asked to finish your niche assignment and the rest of the assignments and everything by this weekend. Maybe you're not well. Maybe you got some other very important commitment. In that case, you don't have to be like hesitant while filling the weekly report. So you can clearly mention that if you could not make something, you can clearly mention, and you can mention again that when you can finish whatever was left. Okay, so be practical, be clear, and be transparent. Okay, so that me and my staff can help you as much as possible. So if you are hiding things, we may not be able to help you. So be transparent. It's okay to be little like backwards. So, and then we will help you how to join the rest of the group. So that's about week 1. Then week 2 will completely focus on WordPress. So you already have your domain, you already have your hosting, your logo is ready. Now what we'll do is which theme according to your niche and according to your personality, which niche is good, so that when the reader, when the blog reader has come to your blog, they'll get an idea that so this is very pleasing, as well as they'll get an idea about your personality. So accordingly, you will be selecting a theme. Then you will be installing some plugins depending on your niche. Usually there are some basic plugins, but along with that, your niche may require a couple of other plugins as well. So you'll be installing them. If you need any help, we are just a step away. We'll explain everything very clearly in the video. So a list of the basic plugins and why should you install them. So we'll share a PDF, as well as there will be a small recordings as well. And then you need to make some settings. 1 minute, please. So you need to make a few settings. You need to work on them. I will show you on the video. You will be doing that. And in case if you are stuck, you can just message us. Then we need to set up your pages, like home page for your blog, home page, about me or about us. For example, if you're providing services as a business, you need to come up with about us page, then one blog, and contact me or services depending on what you are into. Excuse me, guys, just give me 1 minute. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, hope the screen is visible. So yeah, yes, you will be setting up your pages. So we will again decide whether you need about me is mandatory for even for a blog. But if you are choosing to go with website, so maybe you're planning a business. If we think that it needs a website, we'll plan the rest of the pages. Then many people have been inquiring us on SEO and keyword research, and mainly SEO thing. So I did not want to come up with an exclusive SEO course because I wanted to first include that in this blogging mastery. So we have dedicated a whole week on SEO because it's very important that as a blogger, SEO is the organic way to reach to your potential audience. So we'll completely discuss on during week 3, we'll completely discuss about SEO and keyword research, everything. So best keyword research tools to use. So you will choose whatever is convenient for you. And then some my important points to remember and integrating the keywords. So you have found out a few keywords, how to integrate those keywords into your content. Because if you are randomly including it everywhere, it's like, no, even then the first thing is Google or other search engines, they don't just accept them. And another, I mean, depending on their algorithm. And along with that, your potential reader may not like it. It may look like, the very art you have included them artificially. So how to include the keywords, how to integrate the keywords, in fact. Then we'll talk about one of the best plugins, premium versions of Yoast SEO. So this plugin would help you, like work on your keywords properly and to reach to the right audience properly. And then something called meta description. This one you will get to know what it is. So I don't want to talk much about it. And importance of links, okay, hyperlinks. And then plagiarism, which is very important. I want to discuss very clearly about this. See, being a writer, if you're following plagiarism and if you're copying some content, it may affect your normal blog. Maybe you're having your blog on Medium or someplace, it may affect that. Or if you're working for some other client, it may affect their work. Okay. The same way, this is your own blog. If you are plagiarizing, it's going to affect your blog so badly that you can't recover so quickly back to normal. So that's why we'll talk about plagiarism. Then domain authority, it's more like ranking. And then first blog post. So during your 3rd week, you will be composing your first blog post by by following whatever you learned so far, like the keywords thing, everything. And in between, we'll also share those PDFs that we shared during your 6 days workshop. Okay, so for the formats and outline, everything, as well as checklist, so that, like you will get to know what all you need to follow during your blog post, because some of you are from the recent batches and some of you are from about 2 years back batches. So quick checklist for all of those things. And then we'll help you understand how to grow your email list. Email list is very important for any bloggers, and not only for bloggers, anybody who wants to improve their business, grow their business, and convert the audience into buyers. For them, having an email list is very important. Having not just a random email list, a potential email list. So how to grow your email list, we'll talk about that. And then how to send bulk emails. So we will talk about all of those things clearly. And again, weekly report from your side. 1 minute, guys. So week 4. So week 4, we'll talk about Google Analytics. Hope you guys know what Google Analytics is. If you don't know, don't worry, it's not a big thing. So we'll clearly explain. I think you guys have seen it on day 6 of 6 days workshop. I have shown you analytics on of our website, right? So how many people have come and which place they are coming from and which mobile device or which device they are using, and are they male or they female, and what age group they are from. So you'll get to know about all these things when you set up your Google Analytics. Okay, so if you're setting up this, then only Google will be able to save the information from your end user side, potential end user side, so that while targeting in future through ads or organically, you can target these guys. And you're going to compose your 2nd blog post and publish it. Then check availability for social media profiles. Okay, so you already have found your niche, right? So now you need to check whether those names are available on for all the social media, whatever is useful for you, and you will be creating those profile names. Then you will be updating them, and you need to join relevant Facebook groups. We'll talk about all of these things very, very clearly. I'll explain in individual videos. That could be 5 minutes video or 20 minutes video. But guys, that's why I told even before itself that make sure that you are giving minimum. So for the videos and live classes, it will take about 3 hours a week. Okay, hardly 3 hours a week. And for to follow whatever you learned on an average for a week, apart from videos, you may have to spend about 4 to 6 hours. So overall, you need to make sure that you are keeping minimum 10 hours aside for your growth during these 3 months. Okay, and you're going to create Quora, but some people, they may not need Quora. So in that case, they can avoid that. We'll talk about it then. And publish 3 posts on Instagram, and then again, update weekly report. And now week 5. So you need to get ready digitally. We will be explaining how to repurpose the contents. For example, you created a blog post. Now, how to make a small post out of it, like creative out of it, or some small image out of it, and share it on Instagram. How to make a smaller version of it, maybe 300 words, and how to share it on your LinkedIn. Maybe like just get a description out of it and share it on your Facebook feed. How to do that? Okay, what are, depending on the platform, what are the things you need to pick up? So we'll talk about all those things. Then you will have to create 3 regular posts and 3 video posts and 3 mini articles and 3 answers on Quora. So you'll be working on all these things. And we'll also explain again these things using Canva. Then this is very important thing for you all, guys. So we are going to get information from you once you find out your niche. We're going to get information from you. And what we are going to do is you're going to collaborate with each other for a couple of for one blog post. Okay, so for example, you have your own blog, right? So if somehow it is relevant to dating, or maybe there is a slight chance of relating it to dating, then I'll create a blog on with your topic, whatever topic you're choosing. I'll create a blog on that, and there you need to give reference to my blog. So this is called as guest posting, and I have backlinks. We will talk clearly about this, and you will get to know how helpful this is going to be. And in case if it is not matching any of you guys, what we will do is you can share the guest post on Content Vidya itself, so that we can give you a backlink. Backlink means when people are reading through your blog on our website, if they like it, we will mention your name and blog name there somehow, and they'll click on it and they'll come to your blog. So we are creating a backlink to your blog. So yeah, because as you all know, we have more traffic keep coming on every day. So you can expect more traffic from Content Vidya. So that's how we drive traffic to your new blogs. And then creating and publishing 3rd blog post, again, weekly status report. So I'm going to share this with you, okay, the whole thing, so don't worry. And then organic promotions, because this is one thing we need to focus more on. Yes, there is paid marketing option. We can go through paid marketing. We can make more money by spending on paid marketing. That's good. But before that, we also can get traffic through organic promotions, okay? So first, let us focus on organic promotions. If you remember, I was talking about Mrs. Persistent, right? My beginning days of Mrs. Persistent. Initially, I was working on hashtags as per my mentor's recommendations. And also, I was sharing things on Facebook communities. And from there, I used to drive traffic. So before actually I got into paid marketing, I already started getting a couple of consulting services for dating and relationship, and I started making money out of it. So later again, I went with paid marketing, where I could grow up easier. But that doesn't mean that you can ignore organic promotions. Why should you spend on something when you have chances of getting traffic organically? So we'll talk about organic promotions first. So how to promote your blog posts, and like checking on your competitor profiles and what all they're doing, and what are people expecting out of those profiles, and where are they lagging, and what is something they're not sharing, and what would be some suggestions from your side. And so those suggestions you're going to follow for your blog and for your profiles. And guys, if you have any questions, please keep it to yourself for a while. We'll take the questions in a while. And then you need to answer, community engagement, hashtag research, answering relevant questions on Quora, quick click into copywriting. So this copywriting thing, we already discussed about copywriting during our 6 days workshop, and some of you did not join our copywriting program, which was about, I think, copywriting program 21 days one. So even in that case, don't worry, we are going to share those recordings with you, even in case if you did not join copywriting. So you can have a quick look at it. You can spend about 3 days or 4 days and go through the recordings and be ready. so that when it comes to paid marketing, how to follow those cooperating things and how to be ready with your landing page in the coming week, you will be prepared for all these things. And in case if you need 1 or 2 more days, you can request me or our staff and we can plan things accordingly. And so that's what, like, as I said in the beginning, so though this is planned for 3 months, cannot everybody. So this is something I strongly believe in. My kids, they are 8 years and 10 years, okay? But I consider them as 5 years and 8 years because their growth compared to their friends and, their age mates is like, their growth, especially academically as well as learning wise, they are little backward and I'm never worried about it. People around me are pretty much worried. They're like, so Ishan was supposed to be in 6th class and he's still at home schooling. I'm not worried because I realized that this is true that not everybody goes with the same pace. So though this program is planned for 3 months, in case if we find that somebody is not able to stick to the schedule or maybe run along with the rest of the people's pace, in that case, don't worry, you can talk to me and we can plan things personally. Okay, so don't worry too much, but try to be with the rest of the people's pace. In the worst case, if you're not able to do it, don't worry, keep the learning. So that is the major requirement for you. Don't ignore the learning. Don't try to jump to the next step before learning this. Learn this completely, then only go to the next segment. Okay, so you'll be sharing again a status report. So now finally, copywriting this week is completely on copywriting. You will be creating one ad copy depending on the niche you found out, one email copy as per your niche, one blog copy, so where you're focusing more on sales. And finally, you will be designing and developing your landing page. So just I hope you guys are aware of landing page because we already discussed about it quite clearly during our 6 days workshop and 21 days workshop. Anyways, during those videos, you'll be able to understand them. So now organic ways are done. We'll get into marketing, paid marketing, Facebook and Instagram. So here we're going to focus more on this ads manager. Okay, first how we'll help you how to create your ads manager and work on your business manager and everything. We'll work on these things like setting up your Facebook pixel and how to get custom conversions, how to work on it, and then different types of campaigning and campaign objects. You need to set up campaign objects depending on what your selling object is, or why are you sharing this ad, why are you creating this campaign, requiring depending on that you need to set up the campaign or objective, then ad campaigns. So we need to get into all these things. So you'll understand these things more clearly when we are into that class. So I don't want to confuse you much. So let's not get into technical things now. And yes, when I say technical, it's not as technical as it sounds. It's very easy. Okay, I never thought that I would personally get into Facebook marketing. And also coming back to Rohit example, when I told him first time that, when I joined digital marketing, I told him that, why don't you join? He said like, no, I don't want to get into all these things. He was doing his CA finals that time and he was not interested in that much. Then when I asked that, why don't you come into this? He said, no, I'm never going to come into this. But one day when I was working on one of my Facebook campaigns, he sat next to me and he tried helping me. We both were discussing about that and he suddenly fell in love with it. And now he's a gem in Facebook and Instagram marketing. So these things may sound technical and these things may sound tough when you hear about it, but they are very easy. All you have to understand is, who your audience are. As long as you are clear about who your audience are, these all things are pretty easy. So next, how to start making money out of your blog. So this is what we're going to focus on week 9. So you can expect minimum income out of your blog. So here onwards, and there are different ways to make money. It's not about only affiliate marketing. It's not just about, Google AdSense, or it's not about one thing. There are hundreds and hundreds of ways to make money out of your blog. We'll discuss multiple options. So especially affiliate marketing, as well as, selling your own services or selling your own products as well. That's how I started my journey with Mrs. Persistent. I started selling my own services and in no time, in less than 3 weeks, I made about 25,000 rupees profits. And week 10 is more about reviews. Like it's like, you're going to create an affiliate blog post and you are going to promote it. And it's like, others are going to share their reviews on the multiple blog posts of yours, as well as you and me. So every one of you and me are going to have one-on-one session, live session, where I will share my review on your works. Okay. And also we'll talk about a lot of things about your journey. So it's going to be a one-on-one video call. So for about 15 minutes, or maybe if it requires maybe 5 more minutes more. So we'll set up these appointments a couple of weeks before itself, so that accordingly we can plan things. So that's how it's going to be during week 10. And then group assignments. Because as I said, it's always important to be a part of group to grow in this industry. Okay, so having competitors is very important. At the same time, having networking with the same people around, they are again bloggers, they could be from some other niche, but still it's always good to have good network around with other bloggers. So that is the main purpose of this one. So you're going to have a group assignment. So one is going to be video interview. You're going to interview each other. I will tell you how you are going to do it and what are the points you need to focus on and why you are doing this. I'll explain everything clear during my video recording. And then you get a chance to, it's not just a chance, you will be working on paid assignment with Content Vidya, but there will be some checklists. Okay, so as long as you're following all those things, then you will get paid. But if you are rejecting your work, you won't get paid. Okay, so remember that point. But mostly we would want to approve all the works, because I'm sure that you guys already worked on a lot of works like during your 6 days workshop, as well as you've been in the industry for a long time. So I'm very much sure that you will be creating good content. So you'll get paid, so that this will build a confidence in yourself. Okay, so my work is going on well. So that is why we're going to share you some checklists as well, so that you can work accordingly. So this is going to be weekly when it needs a lot of time from you guys. That's why only 2 things during weekly when. And though it sounds like, it looks like a small thing, it's going to be a big thing during 11th week. And week 12 is completely on certifications. So you'll be getting, because see, personally, I don't believe in certifications, but there are a few places where you need certificates. At the same time, certifications as well boost your confidence. So you're going to work on WordPress, Canva, Google, and HubSpot certifications, along with we're going to create a small test on these things. Okay, so once you pass them, you will get content writing certificate. So you hope you guys already have one. You'll get updated one, and then copywriting certificate, Facebook marketing certificate, as well as blogging certificate. So this is how it's going to be till week 12. And further, I am planning to include a couple of other things in between, like that will boost up your blogs and get you more traffic. So we'll focus more on driving more relevant traffic to your website. So that's where we are going to focus more. So initially to reach to that place, the first thing you need to focus is niche confirmation. You have to find out your niche properly. Then, so that's what we're going to work on tomorrow. I'll share the video. Make sure that you're working on your niche properly and finding out your right niche. Then the rest of the things will work peacefully. Okay, until and unless you are finding the right niche, the rest of the things, how much ever efforts you keep, how much ever time you are giving in, okay, you may not reach to the right results if you're choosing the wrong niche. Okay, so that's why focus more on niche. Thank you very much, Tulika. So guys, that's about the curriculum. Now what I'm planning to show you is, like, I'll just give you show you a quick glance of people, whoever the writers, whoever they already filled the form. Okay, today's their introduction thing. So I will show you why I asked you to share all this information. I won't be able to show all of them. I think already 60 plus people have filled in, but I'll just randomly show you a couple of things. Then if you are interested, you can come live and you can talk about, it's not you can talk about, you should talk about yourself. Okay, in between I'll give you about 7 minutes break. Okay, exactly 7 minutes break in between. During those 7 minutes break, what you have to do is just try to get a pen and a paper. Okay, and try to come up with the major points about yourself. So if you are given 90 seconds to talk about yourself, what would be that? So today you're going to do that. After that 7 minutes break, I'll call one by one. So you can come here and you can greet all of us, and you can introduce yourself, and you can talk about why blogging for you, and what's your goal through blogging, and in the coming 6 months, what do you want to become through your blogging. So major goals. So and rest of the things, if you want to talk about anything else about yourself, but 90 seconds is the time limit. So make sure after those 7 minutes, you are preparing yourself for that, and we can introduce each other. Guys, don't consider this as a boring thing, because as I've been saying, networking is pretty needed to survive in this industry. For me, I would say that I have been knowledgeable on blogging, content writing, copywriting, article writing for more than 15 years. Okay, you all know that I've been in the industry. I've been working from home. I've been working with a lot of international clients and Indian clients and other clients. And at the same time, why did I take all these years to get into blogging and to succeed? What is something different that happened to me a couple of years back? Okay, the first thing I would say is yes, I joined digital marketing course, but I wouldn't say that I learned something new there. Honestly speaking, even if you go to my interviews there, I wouldn't say talk about I learning something new. I would talk more about the, what do we call it, as influence, okay, as well as networking. Networking really helped me to establish my brand. So that is why it's important to know about each other. And we are also planning a lot of other activities to interact with each other. Okay. So I'll show you some of the introductions of the people, whoever has filled their form. Okay. 1 minute. So 1 minute, guys. Excuse me. So I have asked you to fill this form, right? Why did I'll tell you now. So look at this, 1 minute. So there are about 62 responses. We are expecting more. Okay, so guys, make sure that if you haven't filled this form, make sure you're filling it, because I will get to know more about you when I'm getting to know more about you. Not only me, our staff members who are going to look into your works personally. Okay, when we get to know about your goals and your challenges and rest of the things, it would be easier for us to help you personally. Okay, so don't try to hide things. It's okay to face challenges, that could whatever it is, and it's okay to share your interests. Okay, and it's okay to talk about anything. Don't try to be somebody else during these 3 months, guys. I want to repeat that again. Don't try to be somebody else during these 3 months. Try to be yourself. Okay, how much like however you want to compose the content, do it like you do. You would talk to somebody in person. Okay, don't try to infuse somebody else ideas into your head. Somebody else, don't let anybody's opinions influence your own opinions. Okay, listen to others' opinions, listen to others' views, but finally you are the right person to take your decisions, because maybe your personality is different from others. Don't hide that personality, because the readers need new personalities into the industry. They are bored of seeing the same personality, the pretending personalities, I would say. If most of the bloggers, they pretend like, so they just want to sound too good to the readers. Okay, it's good to be good to the reader. At the same time, it is needed to be yourself, so that the readers will be with you longer. Okay, so just let us go through a couple of responses here. I don't want to show the names. Somebody here is urban planner and environmentalist. I'm not showing the names because maybe they are not comfortable with that. And so what are the 3 things you love about yourself? Myself, which is very important for everybody. The first thing, we need to love ourselves. That is the one. My dedication towards work. That's great to know. My poetic writing skills. So maybe, during finding out your niche, maybe you can look into this as well as an option. What are the 3 top challenges you experienced in your writing career? Because especially these challenges are going to help us a lot, so that by taking like common challenges among all these students, if we think that we did not address that in any of the classes, maybe we can discuss about it. Maybe we can do something about it, especially if it is, like if most of the writers are facing the same challenges. Repetition of thoughts, it's pretty much quite common in many writers. Writing not focused to the topic. So maybe like, some disturbances around or something like that. Fear of going social with my writing or blogging. This is something I have seen quite common. I already went through all of these things about 6 o'clock in this evening, 6:30 or 6 o'clock. I could see that, like fear of rejection or fear of, like comments. This have one as one of the common challenges among many writers, and it is quite common not only among you, it's quite common among any writers. Why? Because we always expect that attention from the readers. Okay, the first thing, that's why we want to go online, right? If we do not want attention, why are we going online? We can write it in a diary, right? But we need attention. So when we are expecting attention, we obviously are worried, so whether people would love that work or not. But the reality is, you are worried about the wrong audience. We already discussed about it. We are worried about the wrong audience. Think about the right audience. You will not have that fear in your head at all. So, and then what are the top interests? Because I just want to know about it, so that while you're working on your niche, I want to see whether you are being genuine or not. I want to compare these two things. Okay. So, I mean, it doesn't mean to that it's not that I'm going to judge you on this. So if I think that you are being some person, some different person over there, then I will try to talk to you personally. And because here I made it very clear that be yourself while filling this. Okay. So I'm sure that you would be taking that pause and filling it from the heart. So I will just compare both of them and help you personally. So how many hours a week you can allocate? So this is one important thing. I expect you to give minimum 10 hours. And in case if you have feel less than 10 hours, I'll see, how I can help you personally. Maybe I'll talk to you. And how many hours a week you can work? Yes, here they mentioned it. Are you open for brand collaborations? Because in future, especially in like maybe post 2 months, after 2 months, I will see if if any of you are like any some overlap is there among these among your two niches. If there is any overlap, maybe you can collaborate with each other and help each other to grow quicker in the industry. So what is your ultimate blogging goal? So I just want to see like, how many goals you have, so that if I think that something is very important to talk further, other than the curriculum we have in hand, we'll discuss about that. Because that's why I mentioned this here. Some people filled it. So that is why I have shared the form. Hope you guys have already filled it. If you haven't, make sure you are filling it, guys. And you're going to get emails not daily. Okay, we have planned things accordingly. Whenever we think that we need an email that day, we will share it, especially when we have any material to share. And however, most of the material will be shared on Teachable itself, and the recordings are available to you, even including this video. The recordings are going to be available for you lifetime. So in future, if you think that you are stuck at something, you can go through the videos. So we'll give the headlines accordingly for the videos. You can go through them. And so guys, let us take about 7 minutes break. I'll be back here exactly at 9:01 p.m. Okay. So take your time. And if you're given a chance to talk introduce yourself in 90 seconds, what would be that? This is nothing like, don't take this too formal. Just we want to know you. We want to know who you are and what you're expecting through your journey, so that we can help each other. So be prepared for that. I'll be back by 9:01 or 9:02 p.m. So see you then in 7 minutes. Thank you so much. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you are ready with your speech thing. I don't want to call it a speech, just introduction. Okay. So don't hesitate. As I said, as you all already know, I am pretty uncomfortable with videos. Still, I am coming live. I am being comfortable with you guys because writing is my passion and I can talk about it for hours and hours. So if you want to come live, just message S. Okay, YES, message S. If you're not coming, you don't have to message anything. So in the chat, simply type YES. MG, yeah. So once I look into it, I will ask every one of you to come live. So Manivannan, how nice to know. Vandana, glad. Sriveni, Nirupamas, Banerjee Swami. Oh, nice. So yeah, then let us start it one by one. I'll call your name. Whomever I am calling, on your right hand side, bottom corner, you can find mute and video. Sorry, on your left hand. On your left hand, you can see your mute option as well as video option. Okay, so click on that. You will come live, and I'll mute myself. Okay, so I am muting myself. So I am calling MG. You please come live. So hope you understand the point. On your left hand side, bottom corner, you can find mute as well as video options. Once you click on both of them, you can come live and you can start talking. Hope you have everything ready. So I am unmuting myself now. Please come live.
Good evening, ma'am. This is MG Manoj Gangwal from Jaipur. Ma'am, actually, I'm unable to open the camera. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, MG.
Okay. Actually, I'm unable to open the camera. Myself, Manoj from Jaipur.
Hi, MG. I cannot see you giving permission, camera permission. Please do share that and come live. Otherwise, meanwhile, I'll try to see who is next. And
Pardon?
Shruti, please come live. So hope you have your video set. So you can see on your left-hand side corner, both volume option and video option. So you can unmute it and start video, click on that, and you can come live. I am muting myself now. Shruti Mithil.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi, my name is Shruti, and I've been in your course earlier as well. And it was really amazing to be part of that course, to be very honest. And that's how it hit me to come and be a part of, a blogging session, like a mastery blogging session. So hello to all of y'all, and really waiting to be part of, a group session, etc. that is going to be a part of this whole blogging event. So thank you so much, Uma, for this great 3 months course that you've started. Thank you.
So nice to know about you, Shruti. So that's glad, and hope you will reach all your goals before these 3 months. And I'm sure it's not just a hope. So as long as you are giving your efforts, you will definitely reach to your goals. So next, we will call. Next to Shruti, we have Vandana. Can you please come live? So you can unmute yourself and you can start your video. Click on that. I'm muting myself for now.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I hope I'm audible. I'm Vandana, and right now I'm residing in Gujarat, and I'm a teacher by profession. Now I want to just take up my passion of all my life is writing. I'm already into creative writing, just started with my book also. Starting my hand, it's very new something. And I think that blogging and this course which really helped me get into that and prepare my brand as a author and reach my audience or reach my readers much more better than in comparatively in a book form. So I really want to put all my effort into this and hope that can really learn everything that you have put in that hard work into that schedule. And thank you so much. It was a wonderful curriculum. I think can we learn that much in this? So thanks a lot. And above all, thank you for saying that you'll be always with us in the journey. So that's nice. So that's
nice to know about you, Vandana. Yes, it looks like, too much, but as I said, like even myself, like whenever I look at the curriculums, they look too big. But, as you're following it, like they come into a single PDFs, couple of videos, and it's not as big as it looks like. But everything is very necessary through this journey. So don't worry too much. You're going to follow everything that you're going to learn, because that's how the curriculum is planned. That's how we are going to with you. That is why weekly reports and everything. So don't worry too much. Don't stress out yourself much. Just try to give your 100%. Give maybe, like as we planned, give it about 10 to 12 hours a week, maybe 8 to 12 hours on an average every week, and giving your 100%, definitely you're going to achieve all your goals. So next would be Mr. Manivannan. You can come live.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Actually, I'm an animator and now working in MasterChef Tamil and Telugu. Next week, I'm going to launch my product on website. So for that only, I would like to learn this blogging course. Also, my wife teacher. So this course will be helpful for both of us. Thank you so much.
So you can mute yourself, Manivannan. Yeah, and so nice to know about you. And I'm planning to watch these MasterChef things. So that's great to know that your background and everything. Yes, definitely for teachers. And guys, I wanted to tell you this actually. You know what? Actually, most of the students of this program are like about 35% to 37% are from teaching background, teachers, professors, and all these backgrounds. So yes, definitely, Manivannan, this course is definitely going to help your wife as well. So you can even ask her to attend the classes, and if you want, we can help her personally too. So yes, nice to know about you. And then comes Vandana Chandrasekhar. Sorry, Vandana Chandekar. I'm sorry, I could see only half of the name.
I have finished just now on the third. I finished.
Okay, fine.
Okay, somebody else.
You're done. Yes. Miss Sriveni, you can come live.
Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening, with Uma Madhuri, Content Vidya. I see that. Yeah, good evening, everyone. I am an academician turned entrepreneur. So I have been a physics lecturer for more than 2 decades, and then I have turned into an entrepreneur, and now my domain is personal growth and personality development. So I have an audience. I am into speaking, so that works wonders. But then I have been waiting for such a course, blogging, and now after seeing this curriculum, I should say, Uma, hats off to you. The way you have gone into details and from fundamentals, from scratch. This is what I wanted, because I was earlier a little tech phobia I had, but then I picked up those skills during the pandemic. But now I still need that. Whatever you are, every piece of it is very, very informative, and I'm looking forward for this course, because I have an audience where I want to share my own experiences and learnings. Thank you so much.
So that's nice to know, Sriveni, sorry. So yeah, definitely you will reach your goals properly, as well as, you already are clear about your audience. So let us let us work on the niche one more time, and you will see, if you have found the right audience, or we may have to work on the audience one more time. So anyways, good luck to you. Nice to know you. And then comes, yes, thank you so much. And now comes, hey, Crochet Kahani. Hi. So nice to have you here. I'm waiting to see you live. So please come live. I'm waiting to see you, because you are very special to me. See, every student of mine is very special to me. But I, as a child, when as a kid, I was into this crochet things and as all those things. So that's why I really have that. What do we call it? I'm kind of a fan for this person called Crochet Kahani. I actually keep on forgetting her real name. Guys, this is her pun name. So I'm here waiting for you. Please come live.
Hey, hi, I'm unable to start my video for some reason. I do not know why it won't work, but thank you. I am so honored that you think this way of me. I did not know that. So this course is I've already got my money back for this course just through your compliment. So thank you very much for that. Hey, hi, everybody. Just like 35% of the audience here, I am also an academician. I teach with the Cambridge School, and I teach psychology and business to AS and A-level students. That's basically grades 11 and 12. And the reason why Miss Uma is calling me Crochet Kahani is because I do a lot of crochet in my free time. And it's through this course that I learned that she's also into it. So I guess we already have one common yarn string between us. I started my journey with Content Vidya during the beginning of the lockdown. I was a complete anadi. I didn't know anything about blogging or this whole world of digital writing. I just knew that I write well. But today, thanks to that short course which I'd done, it was a week-long course, I've already started to monetize on my writing, and I'm here to get better, because I remember that she had also taught that you have to keep on and on upgrading yourself, and that's exactly why I'm here. There's just no other course that I would ever sign up for where this is concerned, where content writing is concerned. So thank you, Miss Uma. I admire you as much as you have said for me.
So nice to know, Ilan. So now I got to know your name. I remembered. So yes, nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Yes, definitely you're going to achieve your goals, as well as, you're going to make it big, because I've been looking at your updates, you've been sharing a lot of good crochet works, but I think, you are already getting a good number of audience. But I think, through this course, you're going to get more audience to your Instagram or, to other places, to your blog, and make monetize it better. Okay. So good luck. Thank you very much. And then comes Nirupama. Can we have you here, Miss Nirupama? So
Yes,
I'm muting myself. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi all. I'm Nirupama. I'm basically from Bangalore. And I was running an HR consultancy for almost 10 years. And I took a break for my personal reasons. And now I'm back to actually into copywriting and content writing. Why blogging? Because to build the authority and naturally to earn, that is also part and parcel. And I want to generate leads also. I've taken your 21 days challenge and have learned a lot actually. So I got a lot of the energy actually after attending your course. And
Yes.
when I started writing, I got that confidence. Okay, even I can do it. That is a positive thing which I got from you actually, and a big thanks to you.
Welcome, welcome.
Yeah.
So we are going to help each other better in this course, and you're going to make it big. So good luck and nice to know you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So next comes Shama Banerjee. Can you please come live?
Hi everyone. Good evening. I hope I'm audible.
Yes,
so I'm
yes,
from
yes.
Navi Mumbai. Yeah. So good evening all, and I'm from Navi Mumbai. My name is Shoma Banerjee. So writing was always my passion right from my childhood, and my first poem I wrote at the age of 7, and that too on a quirky subject like the hairstyle of men those days.
Wow.
A comedy parody kind of, and at that time. So
Glad.
and then professionally I started. So professionally I started writing mid-age. I am almost going to be not super, senior citizen in 2-3 years time.
Okay, but you don't
So
look like, yeah.
Thank you. So middle of my life, I started writing professionally, and I worked almost for more than 15 years, around 15 years for digital and print medium.
Okay.
So I worked both as a feature journalist, as a business writer, and also worked in the entertainment industry.
Glad to know.
So yeah, and I started, and during that process, I got to interview a wide range of people, from both celebrities to Mumbai villages. Okay, so that was a great experience, and currently I have started already a blog, but I want to learn monetizing it, and I want to find out my niche, and that is the reason I have joined this course. Before that, I already did the 6 days course.
Okay.
So, and I really find you very helpful. And
Thank you.
as everybody is saying, very detailed, very structured.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
looking forward to it.
So nice to know you, Soma. So yes, definitely you're going to find your niche, as well as you're going to find your right audience, and you're going to monetize it. So make sure you're giving you 100% as you look like. Thank you so much. And please unmute yourself. And
Yeah.
Mr. Swami, can you please come live?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. This is Swami. I am from Chennai, and basically I have just retired. So, like Soma Banerjee, in another a year or so, I will be a senior citizen. And I must also apologize to Uma, because I signed up for the 21-day course, but I was in the midst of something, so I really couldn't pay any attention to it. I did only 1 or 2 assignments. So, but I think the way I saw the syllabus and the way she is, reaching out to people, I think that is fantastic. So my life has been around IT for inner transformation. So I've done various courses on alternative healing, on emotional freedom, etc., as well as on IT for information technology. So I used to work for IBM. I love video editing. And, my hobby is, you give me a photo of yours and you give me your favorite actor, actress, politician, and within 1 hour, I will send you back a fake photo with that actor or actress. And I've posted almost about 1,000 mostly birthday videos on Facebook over the last 5 or 8 years. Recently, I've gone on to Instagram, and one of my all my videos are around animals, because I love animals. One of my reels went viral, so it had got something like 17 million views.
Okay, we would like to go through it. Like, please to share it with us too.
Sure. So what I want to get out of this course is, one is I want to take my hobby of trying to create commemorative, especially birthday, anniversary videos, and make people, it's a special day for them, make it even more special with that. So that is a new business. Yeah, okay.
Sorry about that. Somebody unmuted themselves.
So the second one is also about blogging. So I'm a trained craniosacal therapist. And so really in the pandemic, where people are just running behind, medicine and whatever, I really want to be able to share the knowledge that how nature has given us this wonderful body. And really, you don't need to be scared. And really, you just need to understand our immune system. And once that fear goes away, I think your life will be much better. You'll be able to cope with the pandemic much better. So that is a second aspect that I hope to write about on a blog. I've never written a blog, but I hope to. I'm very confident with you, Uma,
Yeah.
Guidance and
You can be. And also one thing I want to say that, the one common thing is like, I am somebody who says that we don't have to use medicines for everything. See, I'm not talking about the corona thing and the pandemic thing, but usually like in our home for everything, from headache to everything, they keep on using medicines. I'm like, let me give 2 days to my body. I think things would be better. So that is something common between you and me. So nice to know you. Yes, definitely you're going to win all your goals. Good luck. Thank you very much. Nice to know you. Please unmute yourself. And Miss Karthika, can you please come live? Hey, hi.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Karthika. I'm basically from Tamil Nadu. I am a textile engineer, ma'am, and I got placed in Accenture. I worked for 2 years there, and then I got married and I got settled in Bangkok here. After my kid is around 2 to 3 years, I was like, okay, I should get back to my career like that. So after that, I was getting mixed thoughts. Like you see, I'm a textile engineer and I worked in a software company. So where to go, like doing higher studies in textile or getting back to IT companies or
Confusion.
Confusion. It's kind of mixed thoughts.
Yeah.
So I started doing research on the masters and all, and then one day I will think, okay, let me do certifications on IT, and then one day let me go to some other stream. I was so confused, and then suddenly one day I was like, okay, why not, let's start writing articles or blog posts about parenting.
Okay.
And then I got to know about you because I'm basically zero in the digital marketing. And then after your 6 days content writing workshop course, I decided, okay, this is it. And then I joined in the blogging mastery course.
Nice. So what's your goal? What's your blogging goal like?
Actually, I love to write about parenting, my parenting experiences. And then I'm basically a textile engineer. So I like to do something related to kids fashion. So I like to connect the dots. And
okay.
Yeah.
So good. So good luck. Nice to know you. You'll do it big. Thank you so much.
As everyone said, you're really helpful, ma'am. Like the way you say we are with you, it's like someone standing beside us and patting us.
I find that, that is my responsibility, because mentoring is like, being with you. It's not that we just get paid and we train you and we leave you for your things. So when we are with you, because see, like I have seen many people who are great writers, but they could not get into industry because they didn't have the right hands next to them. So I have seen it personally. So that is one reason that I feel like doing it 100%. I feel like giving my 100% to whatever I'm doing. And thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
I feel like I'm more confident on you than me. So I'm here, I'm safe.
So thank you. And yes, you can keep it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Please mute yourself. Yeah. And next comes. So can I see you, Miss Gurpreet Kaur? Please come live.
Hello.
Hey, hi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This is Gurpreet. I'm from Indore, actually. And I had been a very vivacious kind of a student in my school life, college life. But through something happened with the life, and I became so very conscious with every aspect of everything. Right now, I'm working as an executive assistant to MD, but somehow I feel like I am dominated. I don't get that much exposure. So this course, maybe I don't want to be a brand right now, but somehow I want myself to be known to the world. So maybe with the help of this course, I am into writing poetries and shairi and all those things. That also, when I joined your previous course, that time I came to know that I have the potential to write something. So I started on at that time. Right now I'm on Insta and everywhere, but still something is lacking. I want to be known better way. So that's why I came here now, and I hope to get something out of it. Maybe not monetization that much, but yes, I want to get paid for that.
Everything starts from the basic step. First, people get to know about you, then you can do anything. They should fall in love with you. First thing is they get to know about you, then they should fall in love with your words, then you can do anything. So you want to build your brand or you want to monetize, the rest of the things will happen once you attract them. So we're going to talk about all those things. And you know what? I really loved your smile. You look very confident, but you're saying, see, one thing is, again, I wanted to talk about this. Every one of us is special about something. So we are special at something. So we need to find out, that is where we'll be focusing on finding out your niche. So we'll first focus on that. Then you will get to know about yourself more. So nice to know you and good luck. Thank you so much. So Vivo 1820, I can't see your name, I'm sorry. So can you please come live?
Hi, I'm
sorry.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now it's fine. Yeah, can you please say your name again?
Yes, I am Shaborni Sen Sharma.
Hi, I know you. We chatted. I remember, yeah.
Yes, I was part of your previous 2 courses. And Advi, I would like to thank you personally for organizing such a beautiful thing. It was a sheer delight.
Thank you so much.
Myself, I am a teacher by profession and a writer born out of boredom of COVID. And the word blogging has introduced me to a new world, I should say. For me, blogging is a way to reach out to the new world, reach out to the world. You can learn about so many things and you can share with people. Moreover, blogging, I feel, is an interplay of word and emotion. It is almost like cooking. If you can use word and mix it or cook it up with the right emotion, we are talking about creating audience. I think
you need to have the right recipe. Yeah.
Yes, it would flow naturally. And it is this spontaneity which I like and which I would like to make it part of this journey of blogging. And all of us, I'm saying this taking this liberty rather, I'm wishing that all of us become Ulysses.
Definitely.
And learning and growing together. And that is the reason why we have a mentor like you. And I look forward. Thank you so much, everybody.
Nice to know you. Yeah, you're going to achieve all your goals. So I'm very much sure that you will give you 100%. I'm also sure that you're going to throw a lot of questions on me always, as you always do, and I enjoy that. So don't keep your questions to yourself, and I'm here to help you out. Thank you so much. Good luck. Yeah.
Welcome.
Hey, Shriya Sridhar, can you please come live?
Hello, ma'am.
Hey, hi. So I got to know that you are little camera conscious. You don't have to be. Look at me. Look at me. Do you believe that I'm very much camera conscious? I have stage fear and this camera fear, but still, you know, you can see that I am conducting all these classes. And if somebody is asking me to come live for an interview, I would be like, you know, I look for excuses. Okay.
Exactly.
But when it comes to classes, you know, I find it like, you know, because I'm very passionate about this, I would love to talk about it. So I come. So it depends on the topics around. So you don't have to be too much conscious. We are all sailing on the same boat. So yes, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so I'm Shriya Sridhar. I'm from Navi Mumbai and I'm a second year undergraduate student. I'm studying journalism and mass communication. So I'm actually a social media content writing intern at 2 NGOs currently. And I'm also a member of the content creation committee in the E-Cell of my university.
Okay.
That's something about my writing. And my main objective of joining this course is, you know, it's like actually more than earning or more than getting recognition. It's so that I gain the confidence to publicize my works, because I've actually never published any of my works. And I've heard from people that I should start blogging, but there are two things. I don't know how to blog, first of all, like properly. And second, I'm not confident enough to receive criticism. I mean,
Okay.
I tend to get demotivated if I receive criticism.
We nobody is ready for the critics. But yes, like fortunately or unfortunately, sometimes fortunately as well, we need to face the critics and we need to learn from them. So we are going to talk about it exclusively because many writers face this. Okay, so as I said already, we need to focus on the right audience. So we will be talking about it. So you're going to find your right audience, and also we'll talk about how to handle negative criticism. We'll also clearly talk about it because that is something many bloggers face it, and they step back. Some people they step back. So we're not going to let it happen. So we'll talk about that. We'll address that. So nice to know you. Good luck. Thank you very much for coming live. Yeah. So do I pronounce this as Shini? Shini, can you please come live? Can you please unmute yourself, Shini? Hey, hi.
Hi, how are you?
So yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much. Can you please say, is it Shini or Shiny? Shini, right?
Yeah. I'm Shiny, actually.
Shiny, okay, please. So I always get confused because I have a couple of friends. The spelling is the same, but we pronounce it as Shini. So that's why I said that. Yeah. So please introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. I'm Shiny Vikas. I'm from Kochi. In fact, I think when I'm right now with you, what I feel, I want to thank Uma Madam personally. I don't know whether she'll believe it or not, because for all these years, I am in the middle age, but all these years I have good teachers. But I cannot say I had a good mentor. Because I
thank you
feel
so much.
Students.
I'm privileged.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, really. Because I think when I was listening to our friends here, I feel at times we feel, oh my God, I'm not a right person to be here, because I was in the airlines industry for past 3 years.
Can you unmute? We can't hear.
Yes.
Yes. Can you please repeat?
Yeah, so sorry. So it was like kind of a world, like, where you are having the shift works, night shift and morning shift. So you just forget writing. So my writing career, my interest started from Facebook post. We had a couple of friends, we are sharing posts, writing quotes and everything. And most of my friends are right now writers also. For me, honestly, I like to hide. Even now, I can't come on camera or pictures. Wherever I go, wedding, or even if you have a class, I have to sit in the end. I don't feel like I can open up and all that.
But one or the other day we have to cross that. And today you did. Yeah.
And I would like. Because I came here as my mom was not. That was how I came from Sharjah. I left my job and came, and she passed away 3 months back. So yes, ma'am. So I was in a great depression. Then my father went through a surgery just last week. Again, I was in depression. So I couldn't complete your practical and all the works you have given me. So I was feeling very.
I remember those mails. I remember getting those mails.
Yes. So it's still, ma'am, you have invited for this class. I was very happy. So I can only say to everyone, like everyone has a writer in them, a thinker in them. And in this pandemic, we have losses, we have gains. Most of them don't find, if they're educated also in this right now, we find it very difficult to, prove ourselves.
Express, especially.
Yeah. So what I feel, okay, we cannot prove ourselves, but we can be our authentic selves.
Exactly.
I feel right now. And through Content Vidya, it struck me when I was in Facebook. I was so happy to see that Content Vidya, that word itself. And I was not sure, even I was not sure, but once I had you and the team here, it was fabulous, because we have published my first writing in the last pandemic. It's an anthology, and it was done well because we interviewed the street vendors and we took their stories, and then we wrote it and it's published. It's in Amazon. It's The Land of Unfeelable. So I'm into creative writing. Again, one more, after meeting you, again, I wrote my first poem, which I wrote in my diary. It was published in the International Journal, Unchangeable
Wow.
Fate of the Beggar,
So glad
Lady
to.
Beggar.
Yeah.
And thank you so much. So
Nice
it
to know
was,
you.
yeah, it was an
And I-
emotional journey.
Yeah, nice to know you. And I would like to go through the poem. Maybe like we never talked about that. Please do share it with me by email. I would love to go through it and share it over. Thank you so much and have a good luck. And make
Good luck
sure
to
you are giving
everyone.
you 100%. And don't even see, we all have, like slight problems. We are having, these depressions, but, like we are the right people to again come back. Like nobody is, see, maybe people are around you, but you are the right person to boost that confidence in yourself. That's what happens with me. I am going through a lot of problems, as, some of you are aware of. So I just get into that. I enjoy that pain and I'll try to get myself out of it. Maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Before I stop, I just want to say one thing. I know all the friends are watching. I left my husband. I just had a luggage. I just packed my clothes. That's all. I took my son and came here. So, I was blank because I was going through all this tragedy. I'm losing my mother, losing my job. My son is still under treatment. So I have to see everything and sit here. Anything can happen any point of time. So I'm
That's
not
true,
able
but that's true. It's so nice to know that you have that confidence, and also you are so strong, and keep that. We need to be strong. Yes, yes. So nice to know you, Shiny. Yes, sorry. So yes, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Monica.
Hey, Monica, can you please come live? So guys, I think we have again 3 or 4 more members. So
Hi everyone. Hello,
hey,
Uma
Monica.
ma'am.
Hey, hello, hi.
It's finally nice to connect with you like this.
Yeah, same here. Nice to see you live.
And if I'll tell for me what Content Vidya and you have been, it's like I have always known that I have been very good with words and understanding and connecting with people and expressing myself. By academics, I'm an engineer, a network engineer I have been. And after that, I have been a civil aspirant. Got a chance to write mains also, but then life happened. And right now I'm a stay-at-home mother only, looking after my son. And why I am right now into blogging, for me, I initially started it as an hobby only. I love to express myself. I love to connect. It started just as an interest only. But when I attended your last course for 1 week, it really struck me. Like I had my own page on Facebook. For I guess it has been there for more than 2 years, but I didn't have the proper knowledge or gut that how should I proceed further.
Okay.
It's after only that 1 week class only I was able to create my page on Instagram.
Okay.
And I am happy, like I am able to create my content and I have people there. But it's like in the form there was an option that whether you want to be an influencer or looking for monetization and all.
Yes.
I have been contacted with I have few of my friends who are actually influencer on Instagram. They have contacted me and I have gotten options to write anthologies also. But the main problem was like I didn't trusted them. I needed someone to guide me properly.
Okay.
You won't believe me, like I had so many offers to write just after my post only. And I was like, why these guys are approaching me to write? I'm a newbie. I just have started expressing myself.
Like
and
looking at your words, maybe they fell in love with it. Maybe they have that confidence that you don't have it on yourself.
But you won't believe, I actually found myself in some water and in a totally darkness. I don't know where they want me to take. And I was like, no, I want someone to guide me. Like I literally asked the people, why you are approaching me? Why you want me to write?
Okay.
And many of them ran and they didn't contacted me back. Like why she is asking such silly questions? And I was like, I need someone to actually guide me. And then only I saw you. Initially, I in fact tagged you in a few of my posts also. I literally asked that, can I tag? I literally wanted to share my content.
Yeah.
So you won't believe when I got to, like this blogging platform and everything else. So it was like, okay, now I have someone who can guide me. Like you can trust this platform or you can work like this. So for me, I'm definitely looking that I do want an audience to my words, my voice, what I want to express. Plus, obviously, money is always the, you know what, cherry
Yes,
on
some
the
people
top.
express, some people they don't. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I am, you know what, like, I am happy to express any single thing. I am a, you know what, like, I have been the chatterbox, even in, you know what, like,
Same like
when
me.
yeah, when even in fact, if I am about to write something, in fact, in assignments, although I used to beg, like, I can't, you know what, constrain myself within this number of words.
Yes, yes, I remember.
Used
I
to
remember.
happen.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely looking forward that I'll get a structurization and the
Definitely.
proper guidance, whom to trust, how to trust, and how to proceed.
Surely,
So I'm
surely.
really looking forward to it. And
That's so nice to know
yeah,
you.
thank you
I
so
can
much
see
for
myself in
bringing,
you.
you know what, such a, yeah. No, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. Like, I actually got, at least I got something to hold on and to move forward. Otherwise, I was learning like headless chicken. I don't know where to move and how to move.
Okay.
Yeah.
So nice to know you, Monica. Nobody is headless chicken here, because, like, you know, I still
I felt
remember one
so.
of your assignments. Like, you know, I was like,
Yeah.
so you were not stopping. I think it was plus 800 plus or something. It was like,
Yes, yes,
okay, it was
yes,
like, you know, I was looking for the conclusion, and finally, like, okay, so the conclusion is perfect. I remember commenting there. So nice to know you, and good luck. So you're going to find the right path. I'm sure about it. So don't worry, and please get in touch with me whenever you're stuck. And our staff also is here to help you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Please mute yourself. And the next person is. I can see somebody here. TITALO. Can you please come live? I can't see your name here. TIT-ALOO.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. I can't see your video.
Sorry, I can't. I'm
No
in a
issues,
place
no
where I
issues. You can
can't.
continue with your audio. Yeah, please.
Yeah,
And
I'm
can I,
Keetna. So I'm a postgraduate from Commerce Department.
I'm sorry, can you repeat your name one more time, please?
Hello, I'm Keetna.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a postgraduate from Commerce Department.
Okay.
Sorry, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah, so I was in your content writing program for and it was very grateful and it was very helpful.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm a writer, not a professional and all, sort of a beginner. I have an Instagram account. And your course really motivated me to do more.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much to you too.
And what I want to say is, we are surrounded by engineers and doctors. So it is very difficult to prove someone that writing profession can lead to, it can create a huge opportunity or it can be monetized.
Yeah.
And I say that no one believes it.
Yes.
So I just kind of want to prove it. And also, I'm so interested in it. So
Yeah.
it's like going with the fashion. That's it.
Nice. So actually the thing is, like, many people, they don't believe the thing is that, you know, like, writers also can make their career to the best, and all thanks to the digitalization. Okay, so today's digitalized world, it is making our writing journey more easier. Otherwise, you know, back in those days, people like writers had to struggle a lot, and still, you know, like, getting into that success is the toughest thing. But luckily, because of the digitalized world today, things are in our hand, you know, like, just a message away, or a caption away, or a post away online, that, you know, we are very near to the success. So we have to make 100% out of it, and make sure you guys are giving 100%. So nice to know you. Thank you so much. And I think, guys, you know, like, we just give me 1 minute. So guys, I think, we still have a lot more people. I really am sorry. If we keep on introducing ourselves, it may take 30 minutes or 40 minutes more. So what I would say is like, you can introduce yourself very clearly, like talk about everything you want to, okay? You don't have to hide anything. Introduce yourself, be yourself, as somebody said, be your authentic self. I think Shiny said that. I really am so glad to hear that, because that is the first thing a writer has to acquire to succeed in the industry, because the industry already has a lot of writers. Okay, why it needs more writers? What kind of writers will survive in the industry? Those who are their authentic self. Okay, who are not trying to copy somebody else. They have the easiest path to succeed. So make sure that you are introducing yourself on Facebook group. I'm going to talk about this in a while. I will share a post on this in a while on Facebook. So you can post individual posts, like, you can post about yourself, your introduction, and the rest of us, we all will go through it and we'll share our opinions, and we'll get to know about each other. So that is the right place. And also, if you have already introduced yourself here, one more time, if you want to, you can do that again on Facebook group too. So nice to know all of you guys, and I'm looking forward to know more of you, because the more I get to know about you, the more I will be able to help you personally. Because as I said in the beginning, I want to hold your hand more like a friend. I don't want to hold your hand like a trainer or like somebody else. I want to hold your hand like a friend who wants to see your success. Because I would say another thing, this is a big benefit for you, and the biggest benefit for me is like, I would be happy, that satisfaction. 1 minute, guys. So yeah, somebody somebody got unmute. 1 minute, guys. Okay, Mr. Manivannan. Okay, sorry. So yeah, as I was talking about it, so let us. I was talking about my thing, what benefit I would get. The primary benefit would be my satisfaction, because as I said, always, I love writing. I love to be a writer, and also I love writers. I have that special attention, special love, special admiration towards other writers, whoever they are, like even as some young child who is writing something out of his or her own. I still remember, like I used to have a neighbor in Goa when I was staying there. She was about 2 years or 2.5 years. She used to share some stories. First she used to share it vocally, and she used to create some new roles around, and she used to write it on her note. Okay, we are still in touch, and she treats me more like a mom, and I treat her more like my child. And she is now 11 years. Back then she was 2 years or 2.5 years. So it's like, it doesn't matter whoever it is. I love writers, and I love to be a part of their success journey. So make the best use of this, guys. Be with me, and I am with you, and let us be successful together. So you can introduce more of yourself on Facebook. We'll get to know about each other more. Tomorrow, I will share a video on how to find your niche. Go through it. Along with that, I will create some forms around. You need to fill it once you find out your niche. So that's like a small assignment. And in between, if you have any questions, you can contact our staff on 9500081660. So no calls over there, only messages. And if you have to contact me on WhatsApp, you can do that. But make the best use of it. Like, don't message me for everything. Okay. If you have multiple questions, think about it for a while. Try to keep all those questions in a single message. That would be easier for me. Otherwise, like notifications keep on ticking on my mobile phone. I may get distracted with my major works. So please try to understand that point. Otherwise, I'm just a message away to help you in every step of yours. And also, like some people, some students, what they do is they keep on asking me questions like how to add a profile picture on my Instagram. Okay. Yes, I would love to help you out. But before that, I want to mention one thing is like, you can do that on Google. Okay. So as I'm saying, I'm here available for you. That doesn't mean that you need to message me for, small things as well. As long as you believe that Google can give an answer for that, do that. But here I am for you for customized questions. As I said, niche finding. It is very tough for everybody. I know that you will go through a lot of struggles while finding out your niche and finalizing it. Okay, for that I am just a message away. You can message me and I'll try to help you out in any situation. If I think that we need to get connected over a call, okay, after analyzing through the form and everything, then we'll connect over a call for 2 minutes or 3 minutes and work on your niche. So that is going to be tomorrow. And for niche finding, you will have about 2 or 2.5 days in your hand. So make sure you're giving 100%, your 100%. Try to give about 2 hours, 2-3 hours, including the video and niche finding exclusive. It's not just 2 hours watching your TV. It's like 2 or 2-3 hours without any distractions around, because this is the basic thing. This is like foundation. The foundation needs to be very strong. Make sure you are giving your 100% to find out your final niche. You don't try to change it. So that's how you need to work on it. So we'll work on it together. Thank you very much. And so nice to know all of you guys. See you tomorrow on the recorded video. And thank you so much. Have a great night. Thank you very much, Rija. That's so nice to know. And I'm so glad, guys, you are admiring me a lot. And the same here, I admire each student of mine, because especially those who are giving their 100% in the assignments. Whenever I get any assignment submissions, the first thing I would appreciate is at least they have done the assignment, because not everybody is doing the assignments. But in these 3 months, make sure that you are finishing your assignments, because that is for your growth. Maybe take 1 more day if you want it. You can request us, or you can just keep us posted about it. You don't even have to request us.
Can you please share the schedule of assignments, and so we'll block the time for it?
Yeah, I will. I'm going to do it every week wise. Okay, so every week wise we are planning to schedule the things and share it with you. Okay, so as I said, on an average daily, try to keep for yourself about 1.5 hours, 1 to 1.5 hours on a daily basis. Try to keep it. So as I said, every week we are going to have live and recorded sessions together, all the video thing together. It will be about 2 to 2.5 hours, and the rest of the 6 hours to 8 hours we need to spend all together on the assignments and the rest of the things. Okay, so the research part or whatever it is left. So that's how you're going to. So be prepared to give it 1 to 1.5 hours on a daily basis, except on Sunday. Okay. So nice to know you all. Thank you very much. Have a great night. See you soon again live. And we are in touch through groups on Facebook and everywhere. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.